Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix R-bind key in Fortnite. Alright, so let's begin. A lot of players have been talking about this problem online, and many have reported it through different channels without finding a working solution. Fortunately, there's a quick fix that worked for me and for others, and I'll walk you through it step by step. To get started, open your web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type key tweak and search for it. Once the results appear, open the Key Tweak website. When you're on the download page, click the free download button and wait for the page to load. If another download button appears, click it as well and allow the installer to download to your computer. After the download is complete, run the installer. If Windows asks for permission to make changes to your device, click Yes. Accept the agreement, proceed with the installation, and then close the installer once everything is finished. Next, open Key Tweak from your desktop or search for it through the Windows search bar if you don't see a shortcut. However, Key Tweak consistently solved the issue, including for my friend who was having the same problem. When the program opens, click Yes if prompted, then select Full Teach Mode. After that, click Begin Full Teach Mode. Now press and hold your R key when the program asks you to select a key. Once it detects the key, remap it to a different key that you don't normally use, such as the period key or any other unused key on your keyboard. After setting the remap, click Apply. The program will then ask you to restart your computer so the changes can take effect. The restart process usually only takes a short amount of time. There is one additional issue some users may run into. In my friend's case, pressing R started acting like the period key after the remap. If that happens, don't worry because there's an easy fix. Go back into half teach mode and choose the option to scan a single key. Press the period key, then look through the list of available keys until you find R. Once you locate it, select it and click Remap. After applying that change, your R key should function correctly again while still allowing you to use it for building in Fortnite. That should resolve the problem and get everything working normally, and that's it. This is how you can fix R-bind key in Fortnite. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.